How much is a mole? Well, it's about 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 items. But what does that actually look like?
Here, I've carefully weighed out a mole of each of these substances. Each one contains exactly 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules or atoms. You can see that there are different amounts depending on how much stuff is in each substance. If it's a larger molecule with lots of atoms, 1 mole weighs more than a substance made up of fewer atoms or lighter atoms.
Okay, here I've weighed out 1 mole of a few different substances. So we've got 1 mole of carbon, so that has exactly 6.02 times 10 to the 23 carbon atoms. 1 mole of copper, which also has 6.02 times 10 to the 23, but this time copper atoms. We've also got a mole of zinc, and what you'll see is that there are different amounts in there because copper atoms weigh more than carbon atoms and zinc atoms weigh more than both. So there's different amounts in there. We can also do it with molecules, so I've got 1 mole of water molecules, so 6.02 times 10 to the 23 water molecules, and also a mole of sugar, so that's 6.02 times 10 to the 23 sugar molecules. So you can see that sugar molecules have a lot more atoms in them, and so there's a lot more weighed out for 1 mole. So the main thing to remember with a mole is that it's a count, it's just a number, it's not a mass.